All right, guys, 2022 RAM TRX. This is what it sounds like before. Go ahead. RAM TRX. This is what it sounds like before, guys. Again. 3 sound decibels. Right at 105. Again. One more. All right, we'll let you guys hear it after we straight pipe it. All right, guys, we got something really beautiful in here today. 2022 TRX by RAM. Beast. Look at the wheels. Got some custom wheels on it. I like it. Black on black. All murdered out with some gold wheels. I like them. It offsets it nicely. One of my guys in here wants one really bad. So do I, actually. I think everybody wants a TRX in their life. I don't think anybody will mind having one.
They need to do a street version.
Oh, a lowered one, imagine. All-wheel drive. Oh, God. All right, factory converters, there and there. Then 3-inch pipe. There was an X pipe there. We took it out and ran true duals, 3-inch, all the way back. Took the 2 mufflers off because, you know, why not? He wanted it loud. And like you saw earlier, we covered the resonators there and there and there and there, as you guys can see. And left the original tailpipes on it because they're 3-inch. There's nothing wrong with them. There and there. They just had those stupid resonators that we covered up. So now it's true flowing all the way back, 3-inch. And there's the original X pipe that was on it, we took off. And there's the 2 mufflers that were on it, we took off. All right, we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, make sure you subscribe, like, comment, all that good stuff you guys do for us. We really, really appreciate it. And hope you guys love this sound as much as we do. Oh my God. Let it idle for a second. Go ahead. Wow. That is loud. Here's sound decibel. Again. 123. Wow. Let me know. Go ahead. That sounds so much better. It needed this. It definitely needed it. RAM TRX. That beast. True dual straight pipe 3-inch. Enjoy, guys.